Why is Chinese much harder than English? In English, when we refer to ourselves, we simply use I. But in Chinese, there are different ways to say I. 朕、本宫、哀家、奴才、下官. Well, what's the difference between them? Let me explain them to you and see which one do you like to use. Number 1, 朕. This I is used by the ancient Chinese emperors. It means I'm a ruler like a god. Number 3, 本宫. This I is used by royal queen. It means I'm the emperor's wife. We rule the country together. Number 3, 哀家. This I is used by the mother of ancient Chinese emperors. It also means my son and I rule the country together. Number 3, 奴才. This I is used by ancient Chinese slaves. It means like I'm a loser. Number 4, 下官. This I is used by ancient Chinese officials when they address someone of higher rank. It means I, your humble servant. Which one would you like to use?